Alright boys, what is good? So I'm back with another live trade. Today we've got GBPJPY, absolute classic pair. This has been a pair since the start. We do love to see trades on GJ. It is one of our best pairs. And today we have this demand setup right here. Yeah, really nice setup overall. The setup itself is just A+ really. The only reason I'd say this maybe is B+ or just A is because the JPY looks quite bullish. We are currently entering some kind of supply zone on the daily, but we'll see how much that really matters to the 30-minute, or if this really does anything at all in general. But yeah, so far this is going pretty nicely. I really like this candle that we've just made. Entered on the bullish close as per usual. Obviously the bullish close wasn't great in terms of what it looks like. You know, we made this big upper wick. However, it's a really good entry. This is a really good entry for a 128 at the highs. I'm not sure if I'll have a TP1, I guess we'll see. Could maybe have a TP1 at this gap fill. I haven't figured that out yet. But yeah, the setup itself, really nice. We have come down, kind of had this level of consolidation right here, which we did break out to the downside, but we kind of just like took this level of liquidity and then went up and continued breaking highs to the upside, breaking highs like these to the left, which looks like we're going quite bullish overall. We left this really nice demand zone. This is the bottom zone for quite a while, and we had a really fast rejection upwards, so this is a very good demand zone. This is a pretty strong one. Lots of investors will have missed out on getting on this on the first try, so they'll be trying to get in right here instead. And with this move, we broke this high to the left here, created a level of liquidity, actually matched it again, so there's just even more liquidity down here, even more of this, I guess. And yeah, we came pretty directly down to the zone. Obviously we had a little retracement here before continuing down to the zone. That's completely normal, we see that all the time. And then we entered the zone, big rejection, just wait for the close. If you watch my last video, then you'll know conditions are a little bit weird right now, so I'm not about to take no flip entries, even though it is GJ. I was just waiting for the close on this one. And yeah, pretty nice setup overall, can't complain at all. Even on the 1 hour, it's basically the exact same zone right here, which is very nice to see. We filled in the gap just in front of the zone. This is the last gap fill for quite a while once again. Well, yeah, for months minimum. And yeah, just really good rejection that we're seeing on this candle here. Don't know why this alert is still here. But yeah, this is one of the first trades of the month, so if this wins, this will make like a really good start to the month. It will give us quite a bit of a buffer. Of course, I also sent this to the VIP Discord. I sent it just as it started rejecting, so people got a very fair warning. I think most people are probably in this one. It's a very nice setup. But yeah, the community is great in here. People are passing challenges and stuff. It's really nice to see. I've also just started up homework. I basically just set new stuff every week or two, and you can get your own results, and I'll go through it at the end of the week in a video just like this with this handsome fella right here. There's also simplified videos and weekly webinars, but as always, you don't have to join that. There's plenty of information on the YouTube. That's just for extra resources. Do whatever suits you. Like I said, I got a lot of information on it. But yeah, this is a really nice trade. I guess I'll just be looking for this to hopefully move up some in the next few hours before swaps. Hopefully we can get some decent volume before then, ideally before London ends. But we'll see. Or if this has some decent movement and then hits stop, I guess I'll update you as well. But yeah, I'll see you once this has done something. So yeah, see you in a second. Alright, I didn't expect to be back this quickly, but this trade is running absolutely beautifully, so I thought I'd make a quick stop. Yeah, we've just broken past this high right here and started coming to the empty space right here. Which is nice to see. Hopefully we'll minimum fill in this gap, because this is a nice spot for a TP1. Where I'll take that TP1 there, I'm not 100% sure yet. It depends how movement continues up to it, because this could be a full TP at the highs quite easily for a 1 to 8 or even a 1 to 10. Once again, I'll see how movement is looking. Yeah, I just thought I'd give an update because this is looking absolutely insane. Just pretty much straight bullish candles. There's just nothing to complain about. I just thought this was pretty cool. Yeah, I probably wouldn't look at this really for the rest of the night. Maybe just before swap hours to see if I should put my stop loss to break even, or remove my stop loss so that I don't get stopped out. But yeah, apparently Trump is talking at 2 AM my time, so I'll be in bed. By that point, I'll probably move my stop to break even just to be safe. But yeah, even though this trade is up here right now, it's far from over. Market conditions have been weird, like I said. So yeah, literally anything could happen here. But yeah, that's all I had to say really. I'll see you again in a second. Peace. Alright, so this trade has just hit full TP. Simple as that. This was a full 1 to 8. I'm not going to bother hitting the 1 to 10 just because this is such a good target right here. I feel like going past it could just be getting a little bit greedy. Even though we do look to be going bullish, if you feel me, we've broken this high with a full body and everything, which is nice to see if you are going for the full 1 to 10. It looks like it might have hit a 1 to 9 already. Yeah, it has. So literally very close. But yeah, I can't complain about a 1 to 8. That's a beautiful trade right there. This is just one of the nicest trades I've seen in a very long time. If you just look at the setup itself, this is gorgeous. We had a nice level of liquidity, beautiful break of structure, pretty cleanly came down to the zone. Even just stuff like this right here, where we actually broke past this level with this wick, instead of just matching it and reacting from it. That's nice to see as well. And yeah, man, overall it went bullish from this low area by the looks of it, and well, I mean, this could just fully go bullish completely. The JPY basket still hasn't broken this low right here. It still looks like it could be going pretty bullish, so maybe not. But yeah, my full TP has been hit anyway, so I have no complaints myself. And yeah, man, that's about it. Shout out to everyone in the Discord, man. Everyone's been killing it in there. We've been going pretty crazy overall. And yeah, hopefully this month can continue like this, because this is pretty insane. We've got a great buffer on the month already. Even if I didn't take any more wins for the rest of the month, I'd still likely be in profit by the end. And I mean, ideally, I probably will take another win. And ideally, I don't take 10 losses. But yeah, that's about it for this one. Follow the Instagram if you want. Feel free to join the Discord. You don't have to. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.